Good morning, innovation. Today is Wednesday, September 9th, 2020. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing for a moment of silence. You may be seated. On this day in history, in 1948, Kim Il-sung establishes North Korea. After the Second World War, the Korean peninsula had been divided across the 38th parallel. The northern part was occupied by the Soviets, while the south was occupied by the Americans. The Cold War impeded unification, and on October 9, 1948, Kim Il-sung declared the creation of the Democratic People's Republic of Korea with the support of the USSR. As well, in 2015, Queen Elizabeth became the longest reigning British monarch. She broke the record set by Queen Victoria, who ascended to the throne in June 20th, 1837, and reigned for 63 years, 7 months, and 2 days. Our quote of the day comes from Oprah Winfrey. The greatest discovery of all time is that a person can change his future by merely changing his attitude. Some reminders of the important news of the week. As I mentioned yesterday, school is going to return in person Monday, September 21st for those who opt for in person as opposed to staying virtual. Remember, if your grades are low or spotty, we're going to be calling your parents and letting them know that we need you to attend in person. Also, another reminder that ST Math and AR Zone numbers are still pretty low, so take that opportunity to hop on, put in 30 plus minutes on both of those. As well, the Parade of Prizes is coming up this Friday. I reminded you that you have 3 tiers of prizes, but also that your parents, in order to get your Parade of Prizes, have to show up on Friday as they would for picking up lunch. And so it will be open at that same time during lunch if your folks want to come and grab some lunch for you as well. We've got some birthdays today. Happy birthday to Rosa Weaver. Happy birthday to Henry Hernandez. And happy birthday to Jacory Hopkins. If you see these guys in your class or these ladies in your class, go ahead and give them some props. Happy birthday to each of you today. Let's see what is for breakfast and lunch. Today's breakfast is a breakfast burrito, and lunch is an individual pizza with roasted cauliflower. As a reminder, our core value of the week is closing the achievement gap. To do this, make sure you try your best to find a clean and quiet place to complete tests and schoolwork assignments. Having a neat and tidy workspace helps keep your mind neat and tidy. With that being said, let's go innovation. We've got a short week, but we're going to make it a great one. Have a good day.